In today's video, I'm going to be fitting the R&G kickstand shoe to my Honda CB650R. So stick around for that. In the kit, you get a set of instructions, although it says CB500R on the instructions there. This shoe will fit the side stand. You get the shoe itself. That's made out of aluminium. There's absolutely no weight in that, and it's got quite a nice finish on it. You get this little foam pad. Now I can only imagine that the pad will be to sit in there to make it more of a better fit if your existing side stand is worn on the underside. And as usual, you get the R&G stickers with it. You'll also need a 3mm Allen key, sorry. Yep, that's 3mm. A 3mm Allen key to undo the bolts and obviously tighten them up again. Now I've got the bike up on paddock stands here, well, one paddock stand. That way the bike is nice and secure and it's not going to topple over or anything like that. I can give it a good shake, and also it allows me nice easy access to the side stand. So let's get it fitted. Right, first up I want to get this over the side stand like so. Get our base, sit our foot off the stand into it, and then offer that up. Now I'll just loosely put these in to start with. It's not tight at all. Maybe it's not lined up. There we go, that's it biting now. And then finally your third one. Right, that looks good. What we'll do now is I'll just give them a little nip up. Yeah, I think I'll need to get a proper Allen key for that side at the back, because it's just a little tight to go in. I'm just nipping that up gently. Right, I'll go and get a proper key for that side. I've just got a 3mm key here. Just makes it easier for getting in. Oh, that's that one nipped. That's tight. That's tight. There we have it. One R&G Sidestand shoe. That's the Sidestand shoe fitted to the bike, and the bike's back on the ground again. If you have liked this video, if you could hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, it might be worth hitting that subscribe button as well, and don't forget to tick the notification icon, and that way you'll be informed straight away as soon as I upload any more videos. Well guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.